Good morning! You might think this is a DJI commercial, but it's sponsored by my credit card, not DJI. Got the DJI microphone, DJI Neo 2 drone, and the DJI bike. We're up at Mt.Hayfield. This is a pine forest on the Fleurieu Peninsula. It's open to the public mostly, and it's a great place to come and have a bike ride. Join me for a quick trip. Let's do this. Now we're coming down towards the creek. Made a mistake taking the jacket off perhaps. It's freezing down here. Oh well. So you can get warm, you've got to go back up the other side. And this is the start of the headwaters of the Yankalilla River. It starts up here in the forest, runs all the way down to the sea at Lady Bay. Okay, don't get lost here, boy. Up the hill. Bit of overhanging stuff here, so make your way around it now. That's it. Now the thought is we might catch a wild deer. Probably the deer's going to hear Mr. Neo though. Oh yeah, it's brisk down here. Woohoo! It's cold! Sun is shining though, what a gorgeous day. Middle of May 2026. Might see a bit of water soon. Yep, a little bit in the creek. There'll be some big rains in a couple of days, so this should be flowing a mozza. Up the hill. Yeah, I know Neo, I'm slowing down. It's uphill. Give me a break. There's always a deer here, but there's not today. Maybe he heard me coming. Oh, it's fresh down here, baby. This is cool. Stay with us, Neo. Oh, we've left these big trees. I'm not going to cut them for timber just yet. Most of the forest here at Mt.Hayfield has been felled in the last 2 years. Good percentage has been replanted too. And boy, how quick they grow. This only maybe 4 years ago. This forest here was felled and replanted. Look at them now. It's a real forest. Oh, she's slippery down here. Oh, put on your front brake, boy. Ah, there's the creek running. Or river, should we say. Yankalilla River. Oh, that was easy. Had a good grip this morning. That was one battery down, about 10 minutes with the Neo following, and did a fantastic job. That's an incredible thing. Come on, let's get on with the battery 2 and the DJI M-Flow bike. It's loving it this morning. I don't know, it might be me, it might be my legs. I'm feeling pretty darn good. Pretty incredible how this thing can follow. And at the same time it's missing all these small branches. I can't even see where I'm going. Oh, there's some nice fine branches for you now. Don't hit any of those. Good work, buddy. Good work, you little fella. Don't hit those. Yes, they're in the way too. I can hear you complaining back there. Making a bit of a noise. Saying, hey, what are you doing? Give me a clearer path. Yeah, sorry about that. Oh yeah, glad I bought the DJI bike this morning. It's the lighter of my two bikes, and sort of likes playing around in the forest. Here's the old Neo. Hasn't missed a beat yet. Has not missed a beat. I'm getting nice and high now. That's part of the forest ahead that's just been cleared. Lots of timber taken out of there, milled locally. Help with the housing that's going on lickety split at the moment. What we're doing, 32k, and there's the little drone, little champion he is. He's right behind me, not missing a beat. Nice uphill, pumping the legs, puffing a bit. It's good there. Yay! We're at the top. Have a look at the view. Well done, Neo. Well done. Microphone, I hope. Hasn't been working all this time. Otherwise it's going to be a trifle frustrating. Oh. And the DJI bike. Yeah, it's been more happiness than sadness. Hasn't been perfect. Had a battery blow up, but yeah. It's a bit sad now. Okay, you're running out of battery.